Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to create this rhinestone spiderweb makeup look. You can wear this makeup as a costume on its own or add it to a completed outfit for a touch of spooky sparkle. I'm gonna walk you through everything step by step. I started by doing my everyday base makeup, and of course you can skip this step or do whatever base you want, but I'll just walk you through mine. I started with the e.l.f. Blemish Control Primer, and then my favorite Laura Mercier foundation all over the face, and Laura Mercier concealer under my eyes. Then I did a bit of contouring with the Rare Beauty bronzer stick. If you haven't tried the Rare Beauty products, they are freaking awesome. I used to only use powder for my bronzer, blush, and highlighter, but the cream and liquid products from Rare Beauty are so nice. I used my liquid blush as well and blended everything in with a fluffy brush. Then I defined my brows with the classic ABH DIPBROW pomade, and that was it for my base. For the spiderwebs, I used the MEHRON metallic powder in silver, which is a really amazing product. I get it on Amazon, and you can find the link to it and all of the other products I'm using in the description of this video. I carefully mixed a small amount of the MEHRON mixing liquid into the powder to create this beautiful liquid chrome product, which I used an oil painting brush to paint right onto my face. I started by making straight lines coming from the inner and outer corners of my eyes and added 2 more lines under each eye in between those ones. Then I lined my lower lid and made some curved lines to connect the straight lines together like a spider web. This was looking pretty good, but I decided I needed one more straight line coming from the outer corners, almost like a winged eyeliner. And I used a curved line to connect those as well. Once you've got your spider webs looking how you want, you're ready to start rhinestoning. I've got a pack of silver rhinestones, a wax pencil for picking up and placing them, and my favorite lash adhesive that has a brush applicator. I started by applying the lash glue across the outer line of the spider web and placed silver rhinestones one at a time across the lines side by side. Then I repeated the same thing across each of the straight lines until all of them had a line of silver rhinestones going down the center. Then I moved on to the curved lines and applied more lash glue and rhinestones until all of the silver lines had rows of rhinestones going through them. Then I repeated all of that on the spider web under the other eye. And finally, I applied a black lipstick to finish off the look. And here is the final result. I have lash extensions on right now, but if I didn't, I probably would have done some black winged liner on my upper lid and added some voluminous black false lashes. You could also do this same look with a black liquid eyeliner and black rhinestones instead of the silver on silver, and I'm sure that would look amazing as well. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what sort of projects you would like to see in the future. See you later!